Welcome to today's training session, where we explore essential maintenance tasks for your InRouter. We'll cover how to check system logs for diagnostics, synchronize the time, manage configuration files for batch deployment, perform system reboots, and upgrade firmware. This session is crucial for keeping your router performing stably.
Log into the router's web page, go to System menu and select Time. Here you can choose the time zone or configure NTP server. For time-sensitive services such as OpenVPN and Device Manager, it is crucial to maintain accurate system time. Enable NTP to automatically synchronize the time with the network time server at each boot. Navigate to System and choose Admin Access. This page allows you to configure login credentials, enable or disable access protocols like SSH, Telnet, and HTTP. Set the port numbers and access permissions for each protocol as required. Create the non-privileged user for some maintenance tasks. And set the login timeout. Go to System and select Config Management. From here, you use the Browse button to select the configuration file we stored at, and then import it into the router or click Backup to save the current configuration. Reset the router to its factory defaults. Disable Hardware Reset button to prevent accidental resets. Under System, click on Scheduler. This section allows you to schedule automatic reboots as needed. Navigate to System and then to Upgrade. Here you can upload and apply firmware updates to the router. Click Browse to select the firmware file, and then click Upgrade to start the updates process. Ensure not to interrupt the power or connection during an upgrade. Go to System and select Reboot. You can perform a software reboot of the router. Click the Reboot button to restart the device. Ensure that all the configurations are saved before rebooting. Navigate to Status and choose System. This page displays detailed system information, including firmware version, uptime, and system resources. Review the system information to monitor the router's performance and operational status. Go to Status and click on Log. Here you can view system logs to diagnose issues or monitor router activities. For complex issues, you can download the encrypted diagnosing data and send the file to InHand support team for further analysis.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and training materials. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Your insights and suggestions will help us tailor our content to better meet your needs and enhance future training sessions. You can scan the QR code to leave feedback. Visit the links below to view our full range of InRouter products and make your purchase directly.